step into the Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, Tradesman SXT package included, bright rear bumper radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display 5.0 touchscreen display Sirius XM satellite radio 1-year Sirius XM radio service no satellite coverage with AKHI. For more info call 800-643-2112 integrated voice command with Bluetooth rear view day-night mirror overhead console GPS antenna input temperature and compass gauge rear floor mats front fog lamps bright grille wheels, 20-inch X8 aluminum chrome-clad full-size temporary use spare tires, P275/60R20 BSW as carpet floor cover.